Welcome to Everyday Cooking. Today let us see how to do peanut butter fudge. This is a very simple 3 ingredients recipe that can be done within 10 minutes. The whole recipe is done using double boiling method. For the double boiling method I am going to use the steamer. If you don't have a steamer, use a normal pan and boil the water. You can see that the water started boiling and we are going to cook everything using the steam. Place a glass bowl like this, and into this we are going to add half a cup of white chocolate chips. We are going to add equal amount of peanut butter into this, but we are going to divide it and add. So initially I am going to add a quarter cup of peanut butter. To this add a quarter cup of condensed milk and start stirring. Stir this continuously until the chocolate melts and everything gets mixed well. You can see that the chocolate got melted and everything got mixed well. At this stage we are going to add the rest of the peanut butter, that is quarter cup. Give a nice mix. You have to stir everything well until you get this consistency. Let us transfer this into a lined tray. If you want, you can stop it here and put this in the refrigerator for setting. Otherwise, you can give a chocolatey layer. For the chocolate layer, I am going to use half a cup of chocolate chips. Once the chips starts melting, we are going to add condensed milk. I am going to add around a quarter cup of condensed milk, but I am going to add it little by little. Once the chocolate gets melted completely and mixed well with the condensed milk, it will be like this. Now I am going to pour this over the fudge. Now we have got a nice thick layer of chocolate. Tap it to even it out. Keep it in the refrigerator in the freezer side for about 2 hours. So I have freezed this for about 2 hours and it is set now. Let us remove the sheet and cut them into small pieces. Here our peanut butter fudge is ready. It will taste so good. Do give a try. Hope you liked our recipe. Do share, like and comment our videos, and don't forget to subscribe our channel.